third channel. So it's an airplane. It's an airplane. It's our airplanes. My dad's friend gave it to me. I've forgotten about it. And was looking for my heat sink for my Volcano to put on my TRX4. Anyway, it's just plugged it in. It's got 3 channels for on and off, 3 for solid, and 3 for flashing. I just thought that was really neat. Only other thing real quick. Everybody's asleep. This gutter guard. I'm liking the radio. I'm going to do the battery mod. This looks pretty simple. Anyway, like, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Stay tuned for more, especially. I drooped it. Bite, break it, fix it. They're build off for the D&D sports. You check them out. Axiomatic. Stay tuned for more. Oh, here you go.